Hello and welcome to a Zero Harm tutorial. Creating a Google account is an important process if you don't already have one. Zero Harm uses Google mapping technology, so having a Google account is the easiest way for mapping information to be shared with you. If you haven't registered with an email address assigned to a Google account when you opened your Zero Harm account, it is possible that you won't be able to edit the map from the get-go. Thankfully, the process is really simple and easy. If you already have one, simply email support@zeroharmfarm.com with the Google account address. Or if you don't have one, you can quickly create one or assign one to your current email address by visiting google.com. Once we've loaded google.com, in the top right, click Sign In. Now, if we have any pre-existing Google accounts, they will be listed here, and you might be able to use one of those. If you don't, simply click on Create Account. From here you'll be asked to confirm all of your normal details, so feel free to fill these in. If we do want to use your current email address instead of creating a new one, simply click Use my current email address. From here you'll be asked to confirm that you are the owner of that email address. You will need to find the email sent to your inbox, and there should be a verification code from Google which we can enter here. Once that setup has been complete, your Google account will now have been created and you'll be able to send this to Zero Harm so we can share the hazard map with you. To do this, or if you have any questions, please email again support@zeroharmfarm.com and we'll sort that out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next video.